And good morning Facebook, how are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here in sunny Cheshire in the SimplyDiag.net community hub. It's not bright, it's not sunny, it's absolutely pouring down. But hey ho, there we go. So, why am I live on a Saturday morning? What am I doing in work? Well, it's like this. I'm sat in the VIP corner and just chilling out, enjoying the mood lighting. Sat in a comfy corner, got a number 9 on the go here down by the side of me. Can you see that? Where is it? Where is it? Where's my number 9? There it is. Got it. Enjoying a number 9 and chilling out in the hub. Morning, Darren. How are you, mate? Yeah, you can see the man flu's still got a grip of me, so still not sleeping properly. But hey ho. So I decided to come in, catch up on some admin work this morning, because obviously we've got a busy few weeks up ahead of us. Morning, Stephen. Oh, good evening to you, mate. Yeah, got a busy few weeks ahead of us. Couple of ride-alongs next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday we're off to Amsterdam, off to the Netherlands, to the DPF Doctor networking event in Almere. So I just thought I'd just show you this, show you the link on Facebook. Any of you that are in the Netherlands or interested in attending, so if you just search for the DPF Doctor networking event, you'll find it. It's at Jay's Auto Service, Almere in the Netherlands, and it's on Saturday. And there's a little map and everything of how to get there. It says there, join the DPF Doctor himself, Darren Darling, with special guests Diagnostics Dan and Steve Scott from the SimplyDiag Network. We're going to be delivering a couple of short specialist talks. It's going to be awesome. So you can click there. You can click the button on it. Morning, James. Morning, Clive. You click the button, say you go in or you're interested. You don't have to be a member of the DPF Doctor Network to attend. You don't have to be using any particular chemical company or anything like that. It's a networking event to introduce the DPF doctors in the Netherlands, introduce them to yourselves. Get to know a bit of a networking and see if it's right for you. Come and join the family. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Have a few case studies, I think. Like I say, a few small talks from Darren, Dan and myself, and just a general nice relaxed chill day. So come and join us. Morning, Ben. Morning, Faddy. Yeah, come and join us, Netherlands, next Saturday morning. And then after that, I'm down at Technical Topics the week after on the 2nd and 3rd. We're doing the EPROM course, recycling modules and stuff like that, EPROMing, desoldering and soldering, a bit of logic, working with hex and stuff like that, a bit of coding. It's going to be brilliant. Morning, Stuart. Morning, Andy. So I'm just in this morning. I'm going to do catch up on a bit of admin. I might even put the member Zoom on in a bit shortly. We'll see. I'll get my admin done first and see what happens. So whatever you're doing today on this bright and sunny yet rainy drizzly day, have an awesome Saturday, have an awesome weekend. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow, happy birthday. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.